I'm Ashitei, and today I want to talk to you about how to use a credit card for those of you who may not be familiar with how to use one. Maybe you just got one, maybe you don't have one and you've been thinking about it, but you don't know quite how it works. For some people, this may be a review, and that's okay too. So basically, when you use your credit card, it's like taking out a loan for goods today with the promise to pay at a later date, right? So, for example, I want to redo my bedroom. I want to freshen it up. So I go to Macy's and I get a new comforter set, new curtains, a new area rug, and I charge it to my new credit card, $280, okay? A few weeks later, I get a bill. On that bill, it's going to tell me three very important things. How much the total debt is that I owe, what the minimum payment is, and when it's due. Important things, okay? Because we want to pay on time, every time. I have a few choices. I could pay the total debt owed. Woohoo! No interest. I could pay the minimum, or I could pay a little bit more than the minimum, right? Those are my three choices. But for this example, we're going to pay the minimum. So the minimum is $35 at 8.9%. So it would take us about 9 months to pay off that $280. Yeah. And here's an extra thing that it's really sad. We're going to pay an extra $35 because 8.9% on our 280 is another $35, giving us a grand total of $315. So that 280 becomes $315, beloved. So if I can't pay the total amount owed, I always pay more than the minimum if I can. But if all you can do this month is the minimum, please do pay that on time. To recap, we used our credit card, which is like getting a loan with the promise to pay later. We got new bedding. Remember, we got curtains, we got new carpet, and we spent $280 on our new credit card. We got a bill. The bill said what? Total due, when it's due, minimum payment. At an interest rate of 8.9%, at a minimum payment of $35 a month for 9 months, which got us a grand total of $315. So that $280 became $315. We paid $35 in interest. Remember to always pay on time, every time. Because when you pay your bills on time, especially credit cards, it helps you to maintain good credit. And that's what we want. Good credit gets us lower interest rates. Yeah. So look at my budget video. That will help you to track your bills. It's very important to not let your bills get away from you, beloved. Thank you for watching. More to come. As always, God bless you.